Hello, welcome to the Tokyo Vlog. I will cover some news from the China team at Tokyo. The table tennis will start next week, 24 July, and the China team is ready. China team has arrived at the Tokyo airport yesterday. Everything goes well.
这次乒乓球队最年轻的一名队员，00后的小将。
门口还有一名日本粉丝正在等着他。
那位日本粉丝好像中文不是特别好，但就是说特别。
Due to the pandemic situation, the players need to wait. They must take a mask, eye protection, and also the glove.
就知道你们也是很。
Ma Long arrived with 3 huge valises. Ma Long epidemic prevention code is I will go faster and stay away from crowded places. As long as I stand far enough, it is safer.
加油！加油！龙哥加油！加油！对，加油！
加油！
During the pickup process, we maintain socially safe distance from the team. The national table tennis players on the spot did not accept any interview individually. Some players asked me about the calendar, the schedule. So here you are. We start with the men's single and then women's single, mixed double, men's team and women's team. 24 July, men's single, women's single and mixed double will start. The first gold medal is mixed double and 26 July. The second gold medal is women's single and 29 July. And the men's single, the gold men's single is 30 July. And in August, the 5 and the 6 is for men's team and women's team gold medal.
会说加油！哇，孙颖莎走过他面前的时候非常激动啊。
对，乒乓球队这次应该是要努力保揽5金，包括这次第一次进入奥运会的混双比赛。
现在我们在尝试着跟着我们乒乓球队后面进行一个拍摄。
他们现在应该也是要出去等大巴来接他们大巴，可能也不会有那么快。
这是我们的冠军之师啊！
这可能是关注度最高的队伍之一吧。我又觉得这样不是太好，可能到现在这个日方的组织者反应过来，乒乓球队实在是太受欢迎了，根本拦不住，凭自觉是很难控制住这些媒体记者，包括这个欢迎的人群，所以也是逐渐的把这个。